Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Dr. Salah, I have got two questions. First is I'll be inshallah completing my Quran course, and my teachers are pushing for me to do something, do some project, so that I can benefit what I have learned. So I wanted to get some ideas from you. And the second thing is I want to become your student. So I need guidance.
Jazakillahu khairan. As far as the two questions, if you go to my page, inshallah Azza I will be more than happy to assist you with several projects or subjects for your projects. And in fact, as far as tutoring, we do have many programs on Huda TV. They're all for free. Corrector, citation, Gardens of the Pious. Well, you will get in private tutoring or in a school, you will get it for free if you follow the channel, inshallah. We also have Huda Academy, where we have systematic education, aqidah, tafsir, hadith. You can enjoy all of that. One of the beautiful blessings that we have nowadays is the distant learning and the facility of learning at the convenience of your home. You really don't have to go anywhere if you don't have an access to that. You can just learn on your own via any of these online schools, inshallah. I wanted to mention something very important. I have witnessed, and it happened to me a couple months ago when I was invited to visit Japan. My very first visit to a Japanese family, Muslim family, reverts who've accepted Islam. Right after I landed, they took me home and they offered me dinner. And you know how the Japanese eat very little. They're very healthy. They're not like us. Well, I starved there though. So I lost a lot of weight. I saw a beautiful kid whom the parents said that he insisted that he won't go to bed before meeting you. He sees you on YouTube and he wanted to meet with you. So I met him and I figured that he said he memorized 2 paras of the Quran. Amma and Tabarak. I said, how old are you? He said, only 4 years old. I looked at the parents. Neither one of them is an Arab. Neither one of them was born in Islam. Both are Japanese reverts, and they both do not know Arabic. Not only that, I asked the father, how did you do this? Because I said, you sure? He said, yes. And I don't take things for granted. So right away I took my iPad out and said, go ahead and recite. And I tested him. And I recorded that and I uploaded it on my page. It has the greatest likes. 4 years old, Japanese kid, very nice looking, mashallah, reciting in a very beautiful, melodious voice. I asked him, how did you achieve that? He said, online. My wife listens and she repeats to him and they both memorize. While many of us who were born in Islam do not know how to read a verse of the Quran. It's just a matter of making an effort. And again, it was the mother. Now she says, mashallah, she has a tutor, a lady from Oman or whoever, who reads before her and corrects her recitation on Skype. If there is a will, there is a way. And this is how she achieved that. They're learning in Japan or in China or in Russia online, and they're achieving what many people are living in a Muslim country and did not achieve. I met an engineer working in Schlumberger in America, and he was 30 years old. Started coming to the center and talking to me, and I said, where are you from? He said, I was born and raised in Saudi. I said, mashallah, so why don't you speak Arabic? He said, I don't know Arabic. I can't speak Arabic. I said, why not? You spend your whole life amongst Muslims and amongst Arab. I said, I always went to international schools and my parents all spoke to me in English and so on. He said, yet I know an Arabic word. I said, mashallah, good enough. What is it? He said, shisha. It is very unfortunate. Yani, not because you were born in a Muslim country or born in Islam that you will be stuck in the deen and you will become educated and you will become naturally knowing the Quran and Arabic and understanding. No. You have to make an effort.